The top 10 best-selling crochet hooks on Amazon. Crocheting is a beloved craft that combines creativity, relaxation, and practicality. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. One of the essential tools for any crocheter is a reliable crochet hook. We'll explore the top 10 best-selling crochet hooks available on Amazon, ensuring you find the perfect hook to complement your projects. You can find any of these crochet hooks through our links below. Number 1. Clover Amour Crochet Hook Set. The Clover Amour Crochet Hook Set is a favorite among crocheters for its ergonomic design and smooth, soft grips. This set includes a range of sizes, making it versatile for various projects. The hooks glide effortlessly through yarn, reducing hand fatigue and providing a comfortable crocheting experience. Number 2. Boy Crochet Master Steel and Aluminum Crochet Hook Set. Boy's Crochet Master Set offers both steel and aluminum hooks, catering to a wide range of yarn weights and projects. Known for their durability and precision, boy hooks are a staple in many crocheters' toolkits. The set includes 24 hooks in different sizes, ensuring you have the right hook for every project. Number 3. Tulip Etimo Rose Crochet Hook Set. Tulip Etimo rose hooks are celebrated for their elegance and functionality. The soft grip handles and tapered tips make crocheting a breeze. This set includes 8 hooks in popular sizes, a pair of scissors, yarn needles, and a stylish carrying case, making it a great gift for crochet enthusiasts. Number 4. Susan Bates Silvolume Crochet Hook Set. Susan Bates Silvolume hooks are known for their smooth finish and inline design, which helps maintain consistent tension. This set includes 6 hooks in commonly used sizes, making it a great starter set for beginners or a reliable addition to an experienced crocheter's collection. Number 5. The Furls Crochet Hook. The Furls Crochet Hook is a premium option designed for serious crocheters. Its ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution reduce hand strain, allowing for longer crocheting sessions. The nickel-plated pewter tip provides a smooth glide through yarn, enhancing your crocheting speed and accuracy. Number 6. Adi Swing Ergonomic Crochet Hook. Adi Swing hooks are designed with a unique ergonomic handle that conforms to your hand, providing unparalleled comfort. The lightweight construction and smooth finish make these hooks a pleasure to work with. Available in various sizes, Adi Swing hooks are perfect for intricate and large projects alike. Number 7. Knit Picks Caspian Wood Crochet Hook Set. Knit Picks Caspian hooks are made from laminated birchwood, offering a warm and smooth feel. The set includes 6 hooks in a range of sizes, each with a beautiful sea-inspired colorway. These hooks are lightweight and have a slight grip, preventing your yarn from slipping and ensuring even stitches. Number 8. Yarnus 20 Sizes Crochet Hooks Complete Set. Yarnus hooks are a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. This set includes 20 hooks in a variety of sizes, each with a comfortable, soft grip handle. The smooth aluminum hooks make it easy to work with different types of yarn, making them a versatile choice for any project. Number 9. Coupe Large Size Worm Crochet Hooks. Coupe crochet hooks are designed to reduce hand strain and provide a comfortable crocheting experience. The hooks are available in several sizes and feature a cushioned grip that feels soft in your hand. These hooks are ideal for long projects and crocheters with hand issues. Number 10. Woodcrafts Crochet Hooks Set with Case. Woodcrafts offers a comprehensive set that includes 9 ergonomic crochet hooks, a variety of stitch markers, yarn needles, and a convenient carrying case. The hooks have soft rubber handles and smooth aluminum tips, making them easy to use for extended periods. This set is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crocheters. More about crochet hooks. Choosing the right crochet hook and significantly enhance your crocheting experience. Whether you prefer ergonomic designs, elegant finishes, or budget-friendly options, there's a perfect hook for everyone. These top 10 best-selling crochet hooks on Amazon and other sites, for a range of features to suit your needs and preferences. Happy crocheting! By following this guide, you'll be well equipped to select the best crochet hooks for your crafting needs. Don't forget to check out the reviews and ratings on Amazon to see what other crocheters have to say about their favorite hooks. Learn more and find these crochet hooks in the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Craft Drawer. Thanks for watching.